Hello everyone. In this video we'll again solve a geometry question. It is a Pascal question and we'll be looking into few components of a circle like sector, segment and all. So the question is two circles both of radii 1 cm intersect such that the circumference of each one passes through the center of the other. What is the area in square centimeter of the intersecting region? So we need two circles over here both having radii 1 cm and they should intersect in such a manner that the circumference of one of the circle will pass through the center of the other circle. So let one circle be like this, then other circle will be drawn like this because the circumference of one circle has to pass through the center of the other. So yes, they are passing through the center of the other circle. We need to find out the area of the intersecting region, that means this whole region over here. Okay, so the region that we have over here, we do not have any such direct formula to find out the area of this region, okay, because we do not have any such geometrical figure for which area formula is defined. So in such questions you will always try to break the region into small parts for which you know the area. For example, I'll just make a few lines over here and I'll try to break this region into the figures for which I know the area formula. So if I join these two, then if I join the centers, these centers, then these two, then similarly these two over here. Now I have 1 2 3 4. So now I have four regions which are identical. I have mentioned them by dots and I have two triangles over here. Okay, so I can write the area required equal to area of two triangles. These two triangles are identical. Why? I'll tell you. Plus the area of these four segments. These regions that look like this, they are called the segment. Now what is a segment? If I have a circle like this, if I draw a chord, then this region is called segment. So we have divided the circle into two segments. One of them, this one will be called the minor segment and this one is called the major segment. Major means bigger, minor means smaller. Now if I want to find out the area of a segment, how will I find it? I will have to draw the sector of a circle. Now what is a sector? If I take the center of a circle and then if I join these two ends of the chord with the radii, I'll join this two. So now I can see that I have these two radius over here and there's an included angle in between which is called the theta. So the figure that the region that looks like this having included angle over here, this is called a sector of a circle and the radius of a sector should always be equal to the radius of the circle. So for area of a sector we have a formula theta upon 360 degree, theta is also in degree, into pi r square. So r is radius of that circle. Now here in the region that we have over here, how can we find out the angle? Let me highlight one of the sectors over here. This particular sector over here, if I take this sector, okay, mentioned in red, this is a sector, right? So for this sector the central angle will lie over here, right? How can we find out this angle? See, we were given that the radii of these two circles is 1, so this will be 1. I'll name these points A, B, C, D. Okay, so AD is also radius, so this will also be equal to 1. AC is also radius, this will also be equal to 1. So now we have a triangle ACD having equal sides 1 1 1. So this is an equilateral triangle, hence this angle will be equal to 60 degree. So now I can find out the area of this sector ACD. From that I will subtract the area of this triangle ACD, then I will find out the area of this segment. Okay, clear? So area of sector will be theta upon 360, that means 60 upon 360 into pi, radius is 1, so pi r square will be pi only, so pi by 6. Okay, from the area of sector, that means pi by 6, I will subtract the area of this triangle ACD. So area of triangle ACD, how can we find it? We know that the area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square. Side is 1, so this will be the area of the equilateral triangle ACD. Okay, now from this pi by 6 I will subtract root 3 by 4. So pi by 6 minus root 3 by 4, this will be area of one segment. I had such four segments, identical 4 segments over here. Okay, so to find out the area of all the segments, I will multiply this whole thing by 4, which will give me 4 pi by 6 minus root 3. Okay, I have the area of all segments. Now I need to find out the area of these triangles ACD and BCD. So ACD, BCD, we have covered the whole region. So there are two such identical equilateral triangles over here. So I'll multiply the area of one equilateral triangle by 2. So 2 into root 3 by 4. Area of one triangle is root 3 by 4 into 1 square. So 1. This gives me root 3 by 2. So to this area of segments, I will add root 3 by 2. So if I write down the final area, it will be equal to 4 pi by 6. That means we can write it as 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 and plus root 3 by 2, right? So this will give me 2 pi by 3 if I take the LCM minus root 3 by 2. This will be the answer. So I hope the explanation is clear. I told you that when you have a figure for which you do not know the area formula, you can divide it into those figures for which you know the area formula. That's it. I hope the explanation is clear. If you still have a doubt, please comment. Thank you.